Okay, we're going to go ahead and do this one. It's not as hard as it looks, so just go ahead and follow along. We're going to do the top drawing first. Notice that it's symmetrical, so we're going to be able to mirror some of the objects. So basically, we'll probably just build half it and then mirror it. Okay, so we're going to start off with the top ones though first, though. Okay, so first we're going to have to start off with a line that's 4.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. 4.5 by 3. So we're going to go ahead and draw a rectangle like that. 4.5 by 3. Okay, so let's go. Get that ortho on. 4.5, 3, 4.5, and then back to where we were. Okay, so we just made this little like box right here. Okay, so we're going to get two circles now. We're going to get this circle here as D enter 1.5 and D enter 3. Okay, so we're going to have to get a circle at the midpoint. D enter 1.5. Repeat circle. D enter 3 enter. Okay, so we got those circles. Let's go ahead and offset this line here, 3 over to the left. O enter, 3 enter. Okay. Offset one of these lines, top or bottom ones, down 1.5. So let's go down 1.5. So we're going to go O enter, 1.5 enter. Okay, so we got the center of it. We got to get some circles now. There's two circles here. The sizes of those circles are 1.803 and 1.118. So let's see. Let's go ahead and go 1.80813. So circle D enter 1.803, right? 1.803. Yeah. Okay, and then 1.118. D enter 1.118. Okay, so we got those two circles there. Now we got to go ahead and get a fillet. So there's two fillets here. It's 1.5. That's going to give us the curve part right here. So two fillets of 1.5. So F enter for fillet. R for radius. 1.5 enter. Click on the lines here and here. Here, then here. Okay, let's go ahead and trim this right part off real quick. We don't need this side over there. Okay, so we have that. Alright, so let's start working on this part. So we're going to come over here. We're going to offset this distance, which is 0.4. So from here to the center line, offset 0.4 to the left. Let's go O enter, 0.4 enter. Okay, let's go ahead and trim that real quick. Get rid of this little piece there. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Ooh, I think I just got rid of the wrong number, the wrong line. Let's go back. Oops, let's put this back up here. Alright, so we'll just leave that there right there for now before we start trimming. Okay, then we're going to come up. It's going to be the same. So it's going to be 0.4 up and 0.4 down. So O enter 0.4. Offset it up, offset it down. And then I guess we have to keep those lines and those lines. Alright, so let's trim now. So get rid of this. Oops. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. This one here, actually we're going to keep this because that's going to be our center line. So let's bring this guy back. Oops. This line. Okay, so we have a line. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Erase. Okay, I think we got that. So let's turn this one into center. This has got to be center actually too. Let's make this one line all the way across though. I don't like it having it two separate lines. So I'm just going to erase it, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw another line from the midpoint all the way over. Okay, that's what I want. And then this has actually got to be center as well. Okay, so we have, there's that, there's that. Okay, I think we got it. So all we have to do is just do a mirror now. Yeah, I think so. So let's go ahead and do a mirror. So mirror button, select everything, enter. I'm going to click right here and click again, hit enter. I'm going to erase one of these because when I mirrored it, I actually got two lines on top of each other. So I'm just going to go ahead and erase one of them so they're not on top of each other. Okay, so that's good. We got the top part, right? Alright, looks good. We're going to actually, we'll put dimensions on later, but I'd probably maybe move this up just a little bit though, because I usually run, I've done this before and I've get short of room at the bottom. Okay, so we'll try that. Okay, next step is we're going to go ahead and just draw a line, because we're going to build half of it. So we're just going to draw a line down here at the bottom. So it doesn't matter where it's going to be, but just give me something like this and come down like that. Okay, yeah, we can live with that. Yikes. Okay, so let's see. Let's start building this. Give me a line from quadrant to perpendicular. Let's trim this. It comes up 0.724. It comes up. So O enter, 0.724, enter, click. Okay, so we got that little piece right there. This has got to come down 0.418. So O enter, 0.418. Click on it. Click below it. Right there. And then we gotta just bring this guy down. We'll drag him all the way down here. We're gonna go, let's see. This is actually a hidden line, so I'll turn that to hidden. Okay. Let's see what else we have to do. We gotta come over the circle. Comes down. Okay, I've gotten it. Let's go ahead and give me a hidden line. Quadrant. This one goes, is it top or bottom? Bottom. Goes to the bottom. And this one goes to the bottom. And give me another one here to the top like that. To the top like that. Okay, now let's trim this up so it doesn't get too messy for us. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And if it doesn't trim, just erase it. Let's get rid of that little piece. Trim. Okay. So we got that. Let me get rid of this piece here. Trim. Okay. So it looks like we got that little part taken care of. Notice how these things are sticking out a little bit. The distance is going to be 0.08. So I'll show you when we're done what we can do to get them the right size. Let's see that line there. Oh, we don't need that. So let's trim this one too. Trim. Get rid of this. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and drag this guy down. Okay. He's going to get offsetted to the left, 0.4. So let's do that. O enter, 0.4 enter. Okay. And that gives us this line. Let's see. This comes down, okay, how high? 1.811 from the bottom to the top. 1.811. O enter 1.811. Okay, let's turn this one into actually a we'll trim it real quick. Trim. Okay, turn this one into center, or sorry, object. Okay, so we're building it. That's that line. So from the top we got to come down 1.254. So O enter 1.254. Let's come down. Okay, there is that line right there. So let's trim this up a little bit, clean it up just a little bit. Get rid of some of these lines. Okay, there's that. Alright, so there's that. Right? Hold on, let's see what I did here. Keep that line across. We'll keep that, that's 0.4. Okay, I'm getting lost myself. Okay, there's that line, that line. How far we got to come out? We got to come out this line. So let's bring this line down to here. So object, line, from here to here. Okay, I'm going to trim this stuff off to the left side. Erase, erase. Starting to look like it's what it should be, I guess. We'll get it there. Okay, actually this is gone. Okay. That piece comes all the way across. Here. Let's figure out this line. Okay, I guess I'm guessing this line comes down this way. So, let's go hidden. From here all the way to the bottom. Okay, let's trim this real quick. Okay, that piece, and so let's trim this piece out right here. Turn this into hidden. Okay, I think that's what it looks like, right? Yeah. Okay, now here comes the part where I ask you to get these things to stick out a little bit. The distance for these is 0.08. So we're going to go ahead and go offset, enter, 0.08. Enter, then you'll click that, then click that down. Then all you can do is just go ahead and grab it and extend that line down. Extend that line down. Then we can go ahead and get rid of that line. Okay? So I'll do the same thing for these over here. So watch. enter, 0.08. Comes up, comes over, comes down, comes down. Okay, so watch. enter, or actually just extend it up. Okay. And get rid of those lines that we offsetted. Okay, so we got them to stick out like that. What else is next? Oh, I forgot this one, didn't I? Darn it. Here, we'll just do this. And then we'll bring this guy up. Okay, now I'll get rid of it. Okay, now I think we got all the blue lines coming out like where we should. Now we get to offset this one now. Or sorry, we get to mirror it now. So mirror button. Let's select it. I think we got it all right there. Okay. Enter. click, click, enter. Let's bring this guy down. Yeah, I'll bring him down here first. Okay, so then again, this one here, let's go ahead and just draw me a line again real quick from here. Oops, that's not straight, is it? And bring this guy down to it. Perpendicular. Okay, erase that line. Okay, so yeah, looks like that, right? Alright, let's fill it in with the dimensions now. So we got 9, 4.5, and then 3. Dim. Here to here, it's 9. Four 4.5. 3. Okay. Let's see this side. We'll get these diameter ones in here. We're throwing in real quick. So diameter button. Repeat diameter. We got 1. We got 2. We got to edit those guys. So you're going to go ED, enter. Click on it. 2x space. Okay. Click on it. 2x space. Okay. Now let's get one more here. This is a radius button here. So radius button. And ED, enter. Click on it. 2x space. Okay. Let's get those two dimensions. 3 and 1.5. 3. 1.5. I don't like that right here in front of it, so I'll move it up a little bit if I can. Or actually move it down, that's fine. I don't want that line on going through that 1.5 though. Okay, so that's the top part, right? I gotta get this 3-1, I guess. Oops, the diameter button. Okay, so now let's take a look down here. We got the 1.81 and the 4.418. Zoom that in. Okay. Yeah. Alright. And then we come over here. Okay. And then we got to come over to the right. Use that dimension text edit, shove that guy in there. Is the arrows coming in or out? Okay, the arrows are outside. So let's make sure the arrows pop out. These two now. Let's see. 0.41 or 0.4 and 0.8. So those two. So let's go here. Use that dimension text edit, bring it over here. We'll do something with that blue line in a sec. And then we also have, what do we have? Those two corners there. Here and here. Use the dimension text edit to show it out. And it's a 2x in there. So again, ED, enter, click on it. 2x space, okay. Okay, so let's do something with this one right here. We're going to have to suppress it. So just go ahead and click it. Last button on your dimension toolbar. override. Since we're doing one object, you'd use modify if you're going to change everything. We just want to change one thing, so we'll just choose override. Come over to where it says lines and suppress, and see these are the extension lines. So we're just going to suppress both of them, both of those 0.4 ones. So I click OK, close, update button, click on it. It should have worked already before, but clicked on it, and then there it goes. See how it disappears. See, enter. Do I got everything? I think so. These lines look like they come out a little bit longer though, don't they? I think they probably come out 0.125. So we'll just leave it like that. That's fine. Alright, so let's go ahead and stop it.